How much does it take or how much does it cost to register? And can you do it yourself?
Yeah, so I charge 3,000 plus filing fees for the trademark. This is basically, I mean, a large part of that is for the search that we do before we file, just because of how in depth it is. And I always say that's the most important part of the process, which is also why I say not to DIY your trademark. I do think that you can DIY certain things, like if you're the only person that's going to own your LLC and you're going to do the research and want to DIY your LLC, go for it. Trademark, no, I usually would say not to, just because it's such a long process. So if you DIY'd it, you're going to find out 10 months later that maybe you could never have it. Maybe you're infringing on someone and you get hit with a cease and desist or a lawsuit. Or, at that stage, there's only so much we can do. Like, you can't go back and change certain things in the application. You'd have to start all over again. So really that's why I say, like, always use a lawyer. And then when it comes to filing fees, the fees are 250 to 350 per class of goods or services. Basically, all goods and services are broken down between 45 classes, and then that's when we decide, like, okay, you're selling merch, that's one class. You're doing, a podcast, or like you have workshops, stuff like that, that's a different class. So then filing fees really depend on that.
So yours is a flat fee of 3,000 for most search, but then like if there's other classes in there, you just charge whatever the filing fee is. Correct?
Right. Yes.
Okay.